What is next in our 50 different styles of slow stitching? Uh, in my last video, I had said that I would be doing a 50s sock hop type theme, and I will still be doing that, but I didn't have a piece of fabric that, or at least I can't find the piece of fabric that I wanted to use. So I'm currently hunting for some other fabrics in my scraps that would work for that. So in the meantime, I wanted to make a new one. Now remember last time we did this hidden jungle theme, this undergrowth, this very earthy, verdant type mood, and I really loved that. I had fun playing with that. But this time it's going to be a very minimalist farmhouse look. Very simple. Something that you could envision someone taking some weathered barn wood and making a little homemade frame and framing this little piece of handwork, maybe hanging it in the bedroom over a nightstand or something, next to a rustic bed with a faded quilt on top. Wouldn't that fit the mood for this very minimalistic farmhouse look? When we think about farmhouse look, we think about faded florals, we think about rustic earth tones, and working those together. We think about harvest time and rolling fields, and frayed edges, maybe generations gone past. But the soft, warm play of all these fabrics and things together just invites us to just lay down on that nice quilt-covered bed and rest from tending the gardens, tending the land, tending the animals, the crops, all the different things that we find on a farm. I love that mood, and it really plays to this simple rendition of this style. The stitches are basically just a split back stitch, a chain stitch, a running stitch, and that's it. That's all that's there. Just taking outlining. I did the florals in a variegated nylon thread. Gave it a little bit of sheen. Goosed it up with a little bit of kind of heirloom looking piece here. It's so simple, so minimalistic, but so pretty. This color of linen in the back, a very raw homespun type color linen, just worked perfectly for that. Gave it a really nice background for these very soft faded colors here. So I think this is a wonderful addition, and there are many stitchers out there that would enjoy just staying simple and minimalistic, choosing the right fabric for the background, the right colors to use in the foreground. Keeping it simple. Being minimalistic means simple. Don't throw too many patterns or colors or things together. All right. I hope you've enjoyed that. We're still running. I believe this is number, let's see, 5 or, this is number 6, actually, out of 50. So we're trekking along. We got a long way to go, don't we? But there are so many styles and moods that we can elicit as needle workers, as stitchers, as artisans. We can manipulate the mood of a piece. And that's what this series is all about. How do we do that? Showing simple examples of that, at least in my opinion as an artist. And again, remember that art is subjective. What I lay out may not be the way you see it, but we learn from each other, don't we? So keep that in mind. Until next time, try some of these pieces and stay very slow stitch inspired by all of these different moods. Bye bye.